furious. I'm too fast for y'all, man. Drop. Too fast. Drop. Too furious. Oh, I'm too fast for y'all. Oh, you just came home from doing a beat and tell me what you gon' do. Act a fool. Somebody broke in and cleaned out your crib. Boy, what you gon' do? Act a fool.
explosive audio, plastic omnium, and Marnell vinyl. So go see those people, thank them people, because without them, this show would not happen. Bringing in money and everything else and raffle stuff for us to be able to do this event. So just real quick, last year, if you guys were here, we raised $4,200 for Tiny Purpose. And I just want to let you guys know that what that money went towards was they do boxes when people lose their children. They do boxes and different things to be able to help them out, I guess, in a sense, and be there supportive wise. So every box that they do costs $100. So we raised $4,200. So 42 boxes is what we supplied them. And on the bottom of the boxes, or in the inside lid, it had Macy Elena Borton, which was my daughter, her name in memory of her. So that was from you guys that showed up, and your support and your donations and everything that was able to give me, that experience to have my daughter's name out there in honor of her. So I want to thank you all for that, and this year will be the same thing. And I can tell you right now, this is obviously an emotional thing for me to do, but giving Tiny Purpose that check was the greatest feeling I've ever had, knowing that I was giving back to my community and giving back to a purpose that meant so much to me. So I thank you all for participating last year and this year, and we're going to keep it going and keep raising money for a good cause and showing the world that, we might be bassheads, we might be loud, but we're not bad people, that we just like different hobbies than other people, and we just like to get loud, and we can do good things with being loud. So in that said, I just want to do a moment of silence in memory of Macy Elena Borton. All right, thank you guys. One more thing. We have t-shirts for sale up there, $10 a piece, and maybe 15 shirts. And we have a raffle going on. There's there's Skull Candy headphones up there, earbuds, window tint gift certificate, tattoo gift certificate, and Pure Romance gift certificate, and some stickers, and I'm probably forgetting something. So make sure you guys do that and be able to win some stuff. Also, we have stickers up there, and maybe 14 and 15 because we didn't do stickers last year, and then some other things from Marnell Vinyl, different shirts and stickers. So make sure you guys check that out. The competition will continue until around 4:30-ish, and once that hits, we're going to be done. And if you didn't run, then sorry about your luck. So 4:30 hits, that's going to be the cutoff. And we will start getting everything around from there. The flex and hair competition and cleanest install and best interior will end at 5, and we will then determine the top 3 people, and they will run again in each flex and hair trick, and to determine the placement of the 1, 2, and 3. So make sure that you guys check that out and get up here and run if you haven't ran. Thank you guys. Have a great day. I hope you guys have fun.
freaking rocky. That was fun. Basehead. I really want to do a burnout, but I know I shouldn't. Oh yeah, my speedo works now.